Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro and some of the settings that we use. So if this is your video clip and you're happy with it and you want to export it, you'll go up to the left hand side and select Export. And this is where we will have all of our settings. So here on the left hand side we have this MP4 file, so that means it'll take it to your desktop. So you want to change the name. And then underneath that, we will see where the file will be located. And then here are our presets. So we can do a custom or we can select one of these presets here. So now if we scroll down, we will see that there's video, audio, and different settings that we can select. So if we expand the video options, we can see all of the different settings that we can change. And if we keep going down, we can go to audio. And then we also have this caption. So if you have captions, you want to make sure that it is toggled to the right hand side so it will render the captions. And same with all of these settings, we want to make sure that that blue toggle is to the left so that way it will render those settings. And once we have all the settings that we like, we want to come to this side. We want to make sure that we are either doing the entire source or we can pick a certain section of the video that we want to render. So here, let's say we have source in out. So now it will only render this portion of the video. So here we can see whatever the section that is highlighted, that is the section that it will render. So then you want to make sure that both the right-hand side and left-hand side are the same. So here we can see the sizes are the same and that the settings are the same. And then you hit export. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.